In this lesson video, we will learn how to find the volume and total surface area of regular base polygonal prism. So it's a prism, that means it's regular solid, where the base is regular polygonal. So for example, regular pentagon, regular hexagon, regular heptagon, and so on. Now we will learn how to find the total surface area and volume of regular n-gonal prism. That means n-gonal means the base is a polygon with n arms. So for example, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a 5 arms. So n is 5. Pentagonal prism this one is. It can be 6, 7 or any higher value. And regular. Regular polygon is a polygon if its all vertices arm lengths are equal. That is, this is a regular pentagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5 arms are equal and all vertices are located on the surface of a circle where this is the circle center. And in that case, that pentagon is a regular pentagon, and all these triangles, all these 5 triangles, inside 5 triangles are equal in area. And this arm and these arms are the radius, and this is the arm length of the pentagon. So now, for a regular n-gonal prism, the total surface area will be definitely this base's area. If this base area is A, then this top area is also A, and all side walls area will be A. This all sides are A. This is also A. This is also A. This is also A, and height is H. So this two end is 2 times base area. Now we'll learn how to find this base area later, but 2 times base area will cover these 2 faces, and all faces area is A times H, and there are n number of faces. For n-gonal, here it is pentagonal, there are 5 faces. For general n-gonal, there will be n number of faces, and if each of the faces arms is A and height is H, so its area will be A times H, and there will be n number of that kinds of faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for pentagon. For hexagon it will be 6, for octagon it will be 8, and so on. So there will be n times this. So now this n times A for a regular polygon A. In this way, n times A means perimeter of the base. So the total surface area is still, the formula remains same. It does not matter what is the order of the polygon. The total surface area will be always, for prism it will always 2 times base area, 2 times this base area, plus this NA is the perimeter of the base, so that is base perimeter times height. And since this is a regular solid, the volume will always remain same. Volume is base area, that is base area and height. Base area and height. Now we will discuss, for a regular n-gonal base, how we can calculate this base area. That is important, because dimensions, perimeter is easy, just multiplying this one side length with n, that will give the perimeter. But we need to learn how we can find this base area. So here, if we know that if it is a regular polygon, then each of these triangles are of equal area. If we can find area of one triangle only, then if we multiply it by n, then we'll get the total base area. So here it's just, we need to find this area. So if we draw such a triangle, then this triangle will be like this. Because this is for a regular polygon, we can consider a circle around these vertices, So these two lengths will be equal to the radius of the circle. This is the arm length and this is the height of the triangle. So if we draw that here, that means this is the radius of the circle, this is the arm length of the polygon, and this is the height u. So if we are given this arm length and height, then it is very easy to find this one triangle's area, half times this arm length times this height, and then if we multiply by n, then that will give the total base area, because one triangle area is this, and if we multiply it by n, then this n triangle area will be this total. But if we are not given this height directly, but we are given this r, or we are given this u and r but not this a directly, we can relate these three so that if we are given any two, then we can find the third. So let us see. This is a right angle triangle, and this arm and this arm are equal. So this is this total triangle A, B and C. This triangle is a isosceles triangle. Its perpendicular line will divide it into two. So if this total arm is A, then its one half will be A by 2. So in this AB, if we name this point X, then ABX triangle, this is the hypotenuse, so it will be R square equals this U square plus this A by 2 whole square. So this is the relation that we will be using if we are given R and A, then we can find U from here, that is height of the triangle, and using that, this A and U, we can find the area. If we are given U and R, that is we are given R and U, then from here we can find A, and using this A and U, we can find the area of one triangle. And for regular polygon, if we can find one triangle, if we multiply the area of this one triangle, we will find the area of the total base. So this approach we will be using for various orders of polygonal base prism.